Hey guys, welcome back. Cricket here doing a plan with me in my Hobonichi week. So I went ahead and took it out of my cover. And I'm doing a collab with Jodi Cakes. Her name's Jodi and she is a sweetheart. I will have all her information down in the description below so that you can go check her out. And I will have a link to her video. We are both using the same kit from So Cute Planner, which you can use my code PRCRI318 for 20% off, but she will be in the Planners Collaborative sale for 35% off, and that is coming up. I think I want to say it's coming up this Thursday, maybe. I want to go check out So Cute Planner. She has everything from washi to Hobonichi kits, monthly kits, subscriptions, everything. So she is top on, and I love PRing for her. So let's get started. I'm using this awesome kit right here. Here's your washies, your habit trackers, your 3 hearts, half boxes and full boxes, and then your full decorative boxes, your water trackers, your weather trackers, or that's what I use it for. And I did go ahead and use Cheerful Planner Girls. They're her hand-drawn assorted weather. She's also going to be in the TPC sale, and I do PR for her as well. So I'm excited about that. And then I used Craft Penguin Planner's date dots for here. And she's actually in the TPC sale as well. And I'm going to be using other things of hers too. So this is my wellness planner. So I use this planner for like my diets and weight tracks and all of that. And so for those of you who have been with me or haven't been with me, welcome back and welcome. I was doing keto and then found out it was actually working for me. I'm not even gonna lie, but then found out that my family, I'm having trouble today. No, I'm filming on Monday. I'm actually filming a day late because I had my granddaughter yesterday. Found out that my husband and son were actually gaining weight from it. And the reason for that is I would cook the high fat, moderate protein, low carbs. I would cook that, but they would add food to it. So they were adding carbs to it. So they not only were eating high fat, they were eating the carbs too. So, gradually the weight started packing on. And I really, to be honest with you, wasn't paying attention to it. I just, was cooking, and then all of a sudden I just happened to notice that, hey, wait a second, this is not working for us. We need to do something different, something healthy, and something that I know my family will eat. My son is 15 years old. He's 6'1", and he is 260 pounds. He's a football player and a wrestler. And I want him to stay healthy. I didn't want him, to continue to gain weight the wrong way. And so that being said, I wanted something that we could do that didn't... He is very picky. He's a very picky eater for being, as big as he is. And it's hard to cook. And I'm not one of those moms that cook something different, but I do need him to be able to get all his nutrients in and, make him eat. So I decided on Weight Watchers because Weight Watchers, you can eat anything. I can cook anything, and I don't have to stress out about them gaining weight and trying to figure out what they'll eat and what they won't eat, because like I said, as long as it's within your points, you can do it. So that's what we're doing. And to be honest with you, I don't even think that Garrett even realized that I switched out. He's a teenager. He don't pay attention. So, All right, so I got the weather strips down, the date strip down, the bottom washi and the top washi, which I'm totally in love with. I think they are so stinking awesome. But I'm going to bring in Craft Penguin Planners. She has these little breakfast, lunch, and dinners because I like to keep down what I eat. So I thought these would be perfect. And I mean, they're the absolute perfect colors too. So I'm going to go ahead and put these down, and I like to put them right next to the days of the week. So let's see, what colors do I want to use, guys? I kind of like, I think I'm going to use the black, and then this lighter brown, because it comes in down here, I think. Just to keep it kind of bright. I don't want it to be so dark, because like I said, this is my wellness planner, and you know, you want to be, I don't want it to be depressing, you know, all black. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, I love black. Black is like, you know, I'm a hairdresser, so that's what we wear. A lot of us wear 90% black. So now I'm going to start meal planning and prepping and all that kind of stuff, so definitely need to keep this in my tracker, or in my Hobonichi. All right, so there's your breakfast, lunch, and dinners. I love that. And then what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to put a line down here, and then at the top I'm going to put food, and then I'm also going to put down Weight Watcher points. I got these from the Crafty Student. I got her to make these, and I'm thinking this one's pretty close to it. I don't really have a, I'll use this one, I think. But I think I'm going to put this one right here. My hands are shaking today, guys. I'm sorry. Right there. And then I'm going to use these Craft Penguin planners. I'm going to use this one, I believe. And let's see if I can kind of... No, I mean, really good. I know to use the tweezers because... Hopefully that's a little even right there. I don't know. I think that'll work. I kind of ripped it just a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. So these are like the divider lines from Craft Penguin Planner, and then the days of the week, or the breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and then the Weight Watcher points. Then I'm going to put my water. Let's see. I actually can, because the points aren't going to take up that much. So I'm going to put my water trackers down here, because I had really been trying good to get my waters in. I don't know why I insist, I mean, I really do insist on not using my tweezers all the time. I mean, that's crazy. We had a beautiful Saturday. It was in the 70s, and that is my favorite weather. Starting to go back up again. Not in the 90s yet, but I'm really hoping and praying that it doesn't get back in there, because I'm ready for some fall weather and keep it fall. And last but not least, the last water tracker. All right, so I got my water trackers down, my Weight Watcher points, and I'm going to use this one for food. Let's see. I can actually just put one of these little icons right here, and they match, so that was even cooler. Got these little weekend banners. I want to say from Brandon Nicole Designs. So I'm going to use one of those, and I'm actually going to put it in between there on that line right there. I love those. Put that right there. Okay, I got these from Peppermint Planner, and I'm going to use this for weigh-in, and let's see. right there. And that is on Friday that I do my weigh-ins. I want to make sure I get it on the right line. So there's my weigh-in. And again, those are from Peppermint Planner. I'm going to use this habit tracker right here. Ooh. Right here for my eyelashes. Well, I put my eyelashes down from Cheerful Planner Girl, just to remind me to take my makeup off. I think that's the best thing for me. And then I'm going to use another habit tracker. Right here. I'm going to use this from Cavern Studio. These are her little pills, so I'm going to put one of those in there. Let's put to represent medicine. I got to order the groceries. Put that one, let me put that one right there. And then I got to pick up the groceries. I'm gonna put that one right there. And I ordered the groceries on Thursday. And I picked them up on Friday. And those are from the Crafty Student. And then I meal plan. I'm going to use this one right here on this one on Wednesday, so that I know what I'm ordering on Thursday. Okay, and these are from Stardust Stickers. So that leaves me room for, I'm going to put down this one, and this one, and that's for me to buy right there. I think that'll be good. And then I'm gonna put like this right next to it for like a grocery list. And then I think that will be plenty. That will leave me some places that I can put these cute, adorable full boxes. This right here. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. That's all I'm using right now, but I always keep my kits in my planner. Actually, I'll show you. In my planner pocket is where I keep them. So if I need to get back to them, I can do that, and I won't have a problem and miss out on anything. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell. Join Planner Nina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram. And I hope to see you back here real soon. Go check out Jodi. Like I said, all her information is down in the description as well. So I hope you all have an awesome, blessed, beautiful week, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.